You don't want to miss this video. It will teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Can you believe I was made with AI? Look, my horns even glow. That's quite awesome.
I was made with Grok AI. Watch this video to the end to learn how.
Yes, that is true. She was created with Grok AI for free. And I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use this tool with demo and even show you how to create a talking characters like this. So if you have watched my previous video on Grok AI, please expect a brand new video today. At the end of this video, you're going to learn how you can turn your own idea into an image or an AI talking video. And I'm also going to share with you my custom prompts so you can modify it and create your own images and videos, okay? In this video, I'm also going to teach you how you can make your static posters to talk and turn them into video, just like this one.
If you have learned something new today, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to log in to use the Imagine tool on Grok AI app. A quick note before we start, I'm not a paid Grok user, so you can follow along without paying anything when you eventually want to start yours. Once you're logged in, please click on the Imagine feature here. I recommend you do this so you can get inspiration from the templates of videos, images and animations that has been posted here. They are quite endless. So once you see any creation, you can as well click on that particular video or animation so you can see the prompt that is behind that particular video. Okay, let's take a look at this one. You can see the prompt behind this one. So if you want to create a video like this, you might as well, get an inspiration from the prompt that is already been placed here. In this message box, I'm going to be putting in the prompt I'll be using for this creation. I'm going to leave all the prompt in the description box below so that if you want to use it, you can as well use it. Once you are done, click on image and not the video. Here is going to give you different options for the prompts that you've already put in there. Like I said earlier, the quality of the prompt that you put in is going to determine the output of the images that you're going to get. Okay, so here there's so many examples here and we are going to be choosing just one to make this video. But then I also want something more cinematic. So in the same thread, I'm going to input cinematic and lightning. It can be cinematic and realistic. Okay, so here because I put lightning, you can see it just sharpened the images and made them, added more light to it and a little bit more cinematic. Okay, so these are the way you can create yours to make it standard and make it look professional and get the best result from whatever you want. Okay, so from this particular result that is given to me, I'm going to be choosing this one. Okay, and now to make our video, we will not be needing any prompts. All you just need to do is to hit on that make video. Okay, so just choose normal because the one Grok to animate the video for us, not our own custom prompts. I did not put any prompts here. This was the prompt that I used to generate the image. To generate a video, like I said, you don't need any prompts. Now I decided to choose another image to animate, okay, and I got this amazing result. Just take a look at this. So in a situation where you do not like the video that was generated for you, you can try it as much as possible. It's going to give you different options until you get the best that you want. I want to create a forest monster, so I paste my prompt in the message box and let us see the amazing result that it's going to give to us. So since I'm making a video now, you can change it from image to video. And as soon as you're done, please hit on generate.
Can you believe I was made with AI? Look, my horns even glow. That's quite awesome.
Oh my god, this result is mind-blowing. It's very, very correct. The prompt that I gave to it was quite detailed. I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below so you can tweak it if you want to use mine. Now on to the next. Now let's make a speech human animation, okay, and see if this AI can handle it perfectly well. And all you need to do, just like we did in the forest monster, is to paste your prompt here. Like I said, the prompt is going to be in the description box below. So let us see if this AI can handle a tougher one, okay? And let's see if it's going to give us some flaws, if there will be some mistakes or not. Hit on generate as soon as you're done and let's see the results.
You don't want to miss this video. It will teach you how to turn any speech into a video like this.
Now this result is super amazing. So if you're a marketer or if you're a business owner, you can use animations like this to promote your business or to run campaign for your business. Now let us try longer videos now. We are going to be doing 3 scenes and then merge them all 3 to make long videos, and this is how you are going to do it. Now you're going to switch from video to image and then paste your prompts. So based on our prompts, our creation is going to be centered on a teddy bear in a kitchen. So in just a few seconds, we have countless options of teddy bears to choose from. Just look at all the results that it has shown to us. So And when you want to create yours, all you need to do is for you to choose a particular one that you want, click on it, and then download and save it. Now I go to the same message box and put in the second prompt for the second scene. This is super important for character consistency. Now the result is super amazing. Same teddy bears, just different action and same scene. Now I save this one again and then get the third prompt for our third scene. Remember, you are going to be doing this everything on the same message box. Now our third image for our third scene is ready. So let's go over now and animate it. So now you're just going to paste a short prompt of what you want the teddy bear to actually do in the kitchen. And this is how you're going to generate all the videos for the 3 scenes, okay? So I'm not just going to bore you by stats all over again, okay? So here is the amazing result that I've gotten. Now the next thing for you to do is to bring in your 3 or your 4 clips into your editing tool. For me, I'm using CapCut for this editing, okay? So once you bring it in, you can put in animation or you put in transition, okay? For me, I'm using animation for all the clips, okay? Now trim out all the parts that you do not want and then add music should you need anyone, okay? And here is the final result of the long video.
Now that you have learned how to make long videos, let me teach you now how to turn a poster to talk for free.
So here is the poster that we'll be animating. Now click on the Imagine tool to bring in the poster that we'll be using for this animation, okay? You're going to click on the media sign and then bring in your poster. Here in the message box, ensure to put in the demonstration that you want from the image or the poster, okay? Not just what you want the poster to say, because I'm going to animate it first before I add speech to it, okay? But then I already added everything in my own case. So here is animating a poster for us. Now the image is already talking, but there is no speech actually coming out, so, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is to put in the same prompt again. This time around, it is going to now say exactly what is on the what you've written or what you want it to actually say. And here will be the final results.
If you have learned something new today, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So let's take another example. Here is a static photo of myself and my daughter. Bring it in from the Imagine tool and then put in the prompt of the demonstration you want from the video and hit on generate for it to start animating, okay? So here it has animated the static photo. Isn't this amazing? This is actually beautiful. But here it has not started talking, okay? So what we are going to do next is to now repeat the same thing. Bring in the same prompt again. The prompt is still in the message box there, okay? Of what exactly you want the persons in the photo to say and what you want each person to say. And once you finish doing that, hit on generate and here is the final result from.
Mom, when are we going home today?
Oh, my dear, very soon. We will leave here.
Please, if you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that YouTube can recommend videos like this to you. I would love also to see you in my next video.